So, Dr. Amy, how could Medical Health Institute and you service a person to improve their sex drive, energy, mental cognition, and overall well-being?
Oh gosh, well, that's a huge question. So, I'm not even really sure where to start with that one, but let me just say this. So, part of normal human life is normal, healthy human sexuality, right? And I hope we can all agree on that. Without sexuality, there will be no reproduction. Without reproduction, there will be no more human beings, okay? So I think we can agree it's important, but obviously beyond reproduction, sex is fun, sex is healthy when we're not feeling good about ourselves, when we're not feeling healthy, we don't feel sexy, and we don't want to have sex. So there's a lot of different factors that go into us wanting to have sex and having a healthy sexuality. So definitely one of the biggest ones is hormones. We have to have all the hormones that we need. They have to be balanced. We have to have good nutrition. We have to have our energy levels intact, which means we have to have our thyroid balance. So one thing, when you come to the Medical Health Institute, you get comprehensive care. You get a really, really comprehensive, detailed laboratory panel that goes over all of your different labs. You get a whole discussion of your lifestyle. What are you eating? How are you sleeping? Are you exercising? And we look at all the different components that make up your overall health, and we adjust each one individually, customized for you, so we can make your sex life great again.